Hi, I'm Sudeep. In this video, we will focus on deleteOne operation in MongoDB. This will allow you to delete a single document that matches a specific condition. Let's get started with an example. DeleteOne is a method in MongoDB that removes the first document that matches the given condition. If multiple documents match the condition, only the first one found will be deleted. DeleteOne command deletes only one document even if multiple documents match the filter. Always check your filter using find command before running deleteOne to avoid the accidental deletions. Once document is deleted, it cannot be recovered. In student collections, if we want to delete a student's data whose GPA is less than 3.5, we have to write the query db.students, that is a collection name, .deleteOne command. Inside that, you pass the condition GPA less than 3.5. This will delete the one document where the GPA is less than 3.5. If multiple documents match the condition, only the first one encountered will be deleted. Next query, deleting the student document by using the student name db.studentscollection.deleteOne, and inside that pass the condition student name and its student name value. This will remove the first document where student name is exactly matching the passed value. If the multiple documents match that name, only the first one will be deleted. These are some students' documents in the students collection. There are some documents whose GPA is less than 3.5. Let's delete the first document whose GPA is less than 3.5. Let's write the query db dot. If you see this message, acknowledge is true and deleted count is 1. One document is deleted from the students collection.